Here are some questions from exercise 2.6 on expansions. So questions are to expand and simplify. So we'll start with question 28. The question is to expand this expression here. X plus y minus 2 and then x minus y minus 2. Okay, you should recognise that to be a difference of two squares, so you use your shortcut, which means you take your first term and you square it. That's x squared. Difference of two squares means put the difference sign in, all right, and then square the second term. Just got to use smaller brackets. Okay, and then you can expand that. So you get x squared minus, keep the brackets in, y squared minus 4y plus 4. Okay, and then finish it off by getting rid of the parentheses, expand that, minus times that, minus times that, minus times that. So you get minus y squared plus 4y minus 4. Okay, there are no like terms to collect. Now, question 29. Is this one. You have to expand a plus b plus c and then square that. Okay, so follow your usual expansions for a binomial product. So take the a plus b as a term and square it. Okay, plus, okay, the product of the two terms and double it. So to be c times that and then doubled. So I'll just write it as 2c bracket a plus b. And then plus that second term squared. All right. Let's expand now. That's a binomial expansion, so it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus, expand this, 2ac plus 2bc and then plus c squared. Look for any like terms. I can't see any. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, number 32 says to expand 16 minus z minus 4 z plus 4. Okay, all right, that's not too hard because we can use a shortcut. So 16 minus, and this is the difference of two squares, so we can write z squared minus 16. Okay, and then it becomes 16 minus z squared minus minus, which is plus 16. 16 and 16, 32 minus z squared. Okay, that's 32. Now I'll go on to 37. It looks complex, so I think I'll do that one for you. 37, x minus 1 over x all squared minus 1 over x all squared plus 2. Okay, bit of work to do here. So we go x squared. Now, the x times minus 1 over x gives you minus 1. So you double that, minus 2. Square your minus 1 over x. Minus 1 squared is plus 1. And x squared is x squared. Okay, minus 1 squared is 1. X squared. And then add the 2 that's at the end. All right. Okay. Collect like terms. So minus 2 plus 2 goes to 0. And 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared goes to 0. So your final answer is x squared. So that turned out to be nice. 38, last question I'll show you, is 38, which is x squared plus y squared, all squared, minus 4x squared y squared. Okay, so we've got to expand that carefully. Be careful with the indices. So x squared, square that. So you go 2 times 2 is 4. so x to the 4, plus product of the 2 and double. X squared times y squared is x squared y squared, and double that. 2x squared y squared. Y squared squared is y to the 4. And just subtract what you've got there. Look for like terms. We do have 2x squared y squared minus 4x squared y squared. You're going to get minus 2x squared y squared. So we'll just write x to the 4 minus 2x squared y squared plus y to the 4, which comes from there.